Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat.
Magandang gabi.
Okay, I have the honor to introduce our next speaker to deliver us an inspirational message. He was an acting general manager of Electric Cooperative Incorporated in Lanao del Sur from September 2015 to 2016. Vice President for Mindanao, National Movement of Young Legislator from 1992 to 1998. And National Vice President of the National Movement of Young Legislator from 1998 to 2001,